it's fair to say that AMD has made a bit of a splash in the last few weeks with both its 3rd gen Ryzen CPUs and NAVI-based GPUs offering exceptional value and performance. And to show just how good a proposition this combination can be, we've teamed up with AMD and Powercolor to put together a gaming PC that we're giving away. Featuring 8 cores and 16 threads with a turbo clock of 4.4 GHz and a price tag of just £320, our CPU is the Ryzen 7 3700X, which is more than up to the task of gaming and productivity. Next up, kindly provided by Powercolor, working on the latest RDNA architecture with 8 GB of GDDR6, 2560 stream processors and a boost clock of 1905 MHz is the Radeon RX 5700 XT. We're housing our system in a Corsair iQ220T case with RGB lighting. For the rest of the specs, we have an ASUS STRIX X570 motherboard, 16 GB of DDR4 memory and a 960 GB NVMe SSD, making this one pretty desirable PC. And of course, all you need to do to be in with a chance of winning is click the link for your free entry. It's that simple. So get clicking and good luck.